everyone. I am one of the founders of Invidyo, and my name is Ozgur. Invidyo is a service for working parents who have to leave their babies back home with a babysitter. Obviously, having a monitoring system installed in your home is great, but if what the system does is only recording everything that it sees, basically it's useless. Because frankly, none of us really have the time to go over all that content every day just to understand if anything of significance happened while we were not there. Invidyo solves this problem by automatically analyzing your video and telling you when you really need to pay attention. And it does this by analyzing your audio and video and detecting the moments where your baby is crying, detecting and recognizes the faces of the people in your home, and also monitoring the home environment with its sensors. Using our easy-to-use and friendly UI, you can watch your videos live, click on an event to view the recordings, or you can monitor the values of temperature, humidity, and air quality in your home. And actually, what's even cooler is since Invidyo can recognize the faces in your home, you can immediately get a notification if there is somebody who was not recognized before. So whenever there's a stranger in your home and you're not there, Invidyo sends you a notification. What's even nicer is that since Invidyo also recognizes the face of your baby, you get an automatically generated album of the moments where the baby appeared on the camera. So you really get to know what the little one was doing while you're not there in a glance. What we're actually doing here is bringing state-of-the-art image processing technology to the end user, and especially to the baby monitoring vertical. Our team consists of 3 founders, and 2 of us have PhDs in video processing, and our third partner, Ekin, has his master's degree on interaction design. In our revenue model, basically the camera has a price, and then if you just want to watch the video live, then you don't have to pay anything else. But if you need the recording and the analysis services, then there is a monthly fee. Actually, we received an investment last year right after this event, so that was great, and we were able to build our cameras. And now we are ready to hit the market on May 15th, both in the US and in Turkey. And for the rest of this year, we plan to sell 8,000 cameras and 2,000 subscriptions. Finally, this is a summary of Ekin's baby Daphne, and this was taken only from one night. So if you think that your baby is sound asleep in bed, please think again. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Invidyo.
Yeah, sorry. No? It says here that you sold around 500 units of the camera,
yes.
Right? How many of these subscribed for recording?
About 27%.
27%?
Yes.
Okay.
What's your break-even scale? How many do you need to sell?
In terms of time or number of units?
Number of units sold.
Actually, if we can sell about like 800 units a month, then in 4 months we reach cash positive, and then in 13 months we reach break-even.
What's your distribution strategy, and what is CPA currently?
Actually, this new version of the product is launching on May 15th, but we are going to be selling on Amazon.com in the Launchpad program for startups. And our CPA from the previous experiment is about $20 per customer.
Well, what's special about the new camera, new product?
The new one actually has all these features. The old one was a more basic, like click and watch kind of camera. And that one was the one that we sold 600 units. That was done together with Turkcell. And now we are building our own hardware. In that case, we had off-the-shelf hardware in that case.
So what you see as well is that a lot of these cameras actually provide third-party stores, right, where you can have software. Why did you decide to create your own camera rather than sell your software application?
Actually, this was decided based on the previous experience, because we really wanted to, if we want to be a global brand, we saw that we really needed the ID and also all the other properties of the camera, especially, focused on the target market. So using a third-party camera, we were unable to make this brand awareness globally. So we decided to, go ahead and make the hardware in addition to the software itself.